Very clear.
Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. It's like a small bed. It's actually.
Wow.
Amazing view of the lake. Yeah, you can rest here.
Ancient South Sagre. Welcome to Kuala Selangor. Well, guys, we're going to the beach here. I really.
What?
Look at that fish.
Frog maybe.
No, that's a fish. That's a fish. Remember? You told me it's there.
Oh, I'm looking at something else. Where is it? Oh, it's big. A big one. Okay. Let's go.
Oh wait, it is a frog. Oh wait, no, it's just.
Okay, let's go. So hopefully Blue Tears and Firefly. Hopefully.
Okay, come.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, like this. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Keep doing it, keep doing it.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm getting something.
Wait. Okay, that's the fruits here. Okay.
Salman, cheese. Okay.
Oh, that's a bunch of them. Wow.
Salman, do you have anything?
I'll have the video.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Is it working?
Very clear.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, still in me.
Nice.
You see? The video's clear?
Yeah, kind of.
Like you can see the flashing part, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's very close now. Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah, the video's so clear now, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my god!
Little bit blurry, but it's okay. I can see. Okay.
Two.
Okay, away from me.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. There it
Yeah.
goes. There it goes. So cool. So cool.
this is one of the rooms.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's like old theme, right?
Yeah.
A lot of candles from Bali.
Oh.
So yeah, these are all natural wood.
Also, this door, I don't know if I can get used to this because you have to push real hard. You need the strength.
It's like this. It's a sliding door.
Oh.
Sliding.
Good thing you didn't break it.
Good thing I didn't break it. Like,
Oh wow.
So
This is amazing.
this is the
oh,
living
this
room.
is so cool. It's like a small bed. It's actually
Wow.
nice.
Living room. This is the kitchen. You can hear. Top, fridge, snacks.
Oh, snacks.
The coffee and tea.
Nice. Oh, wow, look at this one. I love the glass on the wall and the doors. Oh,
It's overlooking the Putrajaya Lake.
oh, Putrajaya Lake.
Yes, we're right at the water. Sagre.
Amazing. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, I'm speechless.
Right next to the
Birds.
It's nice. The bed looks like an older bed. Like the bed frame is like old. It looks old.
Cool.
bathroom in here.
Oh, bathroom too.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Okay, so you have to walk in the stone.
Yes.
Like you have to walk in this. If you step here and walk, oh, it's gonna hurt.
I love this one.
Whoa.
There's one room here. There's one room here. This is a bunk bed.
How many rooms are here?
There's 5. So this is a bamboo bunk bed.
Just in here, but it's fine. This is an attic.
Yep, it's like an attic. So you have a day bed there.
Really big couch. Like
Yes, it's like a bed.
a bed
And
couch.
with a canopy, and then you have this amazing view of the lake.
Sit resting.
Yeah, you can rest here.
Yeah. This is actually nice for for an attic. For an attic, this is actually pretty nice. Best Kuala Lumpur driver. His phone number is right here. If you're ever going to Kuala Lumpur, always take this driver. Best Kuala Lumpur driver in the world. I'm making an app for him, so he should get a lot of customers. He'll get a lot of money because he's the best Kuala Lumpur driver ever. So yeah, this is why I'm making an app for him. Bye and see you to the next vacation. Guys, we only have 1 hour left to the airplane, and yeah, we need to run. Guys, we managed to be the last persons on the plane. That was pretty chaotic. Yeah, I think this video is gonna blow up on my channel. What I mean by that is it's gonna go crazy. Maybe, I don't know. That was crazy.